Happy Friday, everybody. It is your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So check it out. It's about 11 a.m. on the East Coast right now, and we have every index in the U.S. stock market nicely in the green after we got earnings from Amazon and from Apple yesterday, which, of course, guys, we're going to cover those numbers in this video and how the stocks are doing, other stocks I'm looking at as well. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo. Once you guys open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and you get a $30 cash reward. And fund your account at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall for now your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, I'm telling you, this is the best deal on the market right now. So check out that link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So guys, we are looking very good across the board today, especially considering the fact that yesterday the entire stock market got hit. You guys probably remember that. I think the NASDAQ was down over 2%. The S&P was down well over 1%, but now we are bouncing back. The S&P is up over 1% right now. The NASDAQ is up, let's see, about 1.2%. Nice bounce back day for the NASDAQ. The Russell is up. Let's see the small cap index here, guys. It is up around 1%. Let me pull it up and show you. Here we go. We're up 21 points on the Russell, as the Dow Jones is up almost the most out of all the indexes, pretty much neck and neck with the NASDAQ right now. Dow is up 1.2%. So we are up nicely across the board, and the VIX is down 7%. And like I said, guys, this is after we got numbers from Amazon and from Apple, which are kind of setting the tone for today. It looks like the Dow is getting a bounce above the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart here. Looks like the Russell, if it wants to load, come on, Russell, what are we doing here? Looks like the Russell as well is getting buyers above that 180 SMA. I think the SPY, the ETF, is as well. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to get back over the 180 SMA. SPY is as triple Q, which it's the tech-heavy index. It's doing the same thing. Same thing as SPY, which it did momentarily drop under the 180 SMA yesterday, but now we're actually trying to get back over it. So let's just say, guys, the bulls are fighting. The bulls are fighting today, and it's all because of Amazon, really, because Amazon stock is up over 7%. You guys heard that right, 7% right now. And the wedge that we have drawn out here, clearly we're breaking out of the wedge, right? We have higher lows being made, but lower highs at the same time. And here we are, guys. We're breaking out of the wedge. We're above the moving averages. We're popping out of the highs here from the end of September, also from the end of July, being about 190 to 195. Now we're pushing 200, man. We're pushing all-time highs, and I am not surprised. Amazon is a stock that I own. I've owned it for a while now, and I bought the dip. I added more to my position after the stock dipped from 200 to 150. I think I bought in the 150-60 range, and I'm glad I did. I'm glad I did because, again, now we're breaking out again, and we're pushing $200. We're pushing all-time highs. So Amazon, let me see if their numbers are here, guys. I sure hope they are. Crap, I'm not seeing them here. God dang it, guys. Let me actually just pull it up on CNBC very quickly. Amazon earnings. Let's see here, guys. And by the way, run those likes up, man. What are you waiting for? Make sure to subscribe as well. I think 50% of you guys, funny enough, watch the content, which I appreciate. but you're not subscribed. I don't know why. I don't know why that's the case. And if that's you, make sure to subscribe, guys. So I might as well just pull this up to give you all a visual here. So Amazon reported earnings per share of $1.43. You guys can see here, which that beat the $1.14 expected. Revenue came in at $158.88 billion, which that also beat the $157.2 billion. So EPS beat nicely, revenue beat, AWS missed a little bit. Amazon Web Services came in at $27.4 billion versus $27.5 billion expected. So a slight miss there for AWS, not the end of the world. Advertising came in line at $14.3 billion, pretty much right in line with expected there. And sales looks like for AWS grew 19% year over year, which, keep in mind, that is lower than what we're noticing from competitors like Azure for Microsoft. That grew 33%, and Google's cloud saw a 35% number, revenue growth number, which is very good. So keep that in mind. AWS is growing a bit slower than competitors, but still pretty decent, if you ask me. So I'm liking the numbers here, guys. I love the way the stock is breaking out. I couldn't be happier as a shareholder, and man, am I glad I added more stock on this dip. Now we're pushing all-time highs, $200 per share. So Amazon, that is really the main reason why the market is moving today, because Apple's not really moving much. Last I checked, let me pull it up and show you guys. Apple is actually down 1.5% right now, down $3.50. So Apple, let me see if their numbers are here. Yup, it looks like they are. EPS came in at 97 cents. Looks like I don't have that. Actually, no, wait. Adjusted EPS came in at $1.64. That beat the $1.60 expected. All right. Sales for Apple came in at $94.9 billion versus $94.56. So a double beat for Apple. Very good. Anything on China? Looks like Greater China, $15 billion revenue. Europe, $24.9. Rest of Asia, $7.3. Japan, $5.9. Okay, not bad. And I was reading earlier the different segments. I'm pretty sure they missed on revenue for a lot of the segments, like services. I think the other products, what was it called? Mac. I think Mac and iPad missed. A lot of the other ones missed, but the main ones beat, like overall revenue, overall EPS. I believe iPhone sales beat, which is good. It looks like iPhone revenue sees record Q4, which is going to be interesting. But yeah, man, Apple's slightly down, but it's not down enough to bring down the overall stock market because, like I said, guys, we're looking good. We are green across the board, and a lot of other stocks are moving as well. It looks like Intel is moving. I believe their numbers came out at some point yesterday, right? So Intel must have done something right. Yeah, it looks like adjusted EPS came in at 12 cents. That beat the negative 2 cents expected. Sales $13.3 billion versus $13 billion. So Intel double beat. Looks like their guidance is solid as well. Pretty decent there. So a beaten down stock, which is Intel, is starting to see some momentum, 7% in the green after finally doing something decent on the earnings. So what do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments where your thoughts are at. Looks like the markets are slowly bouncing back pretty good, but I don't think it's clear blue skies quite yet until we get the breakout of, let's say, 577 on SPY, until Triple Q breaks back over $500 per share. So Let's see, man. Let's see. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe and join the free email list down below. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every single Monday for free right to your inbox. And shout out to everybody that's joined the Patreon, where I'm building my real money private portfolio, where I'm putting in money every single week and buying stocks. That's linked down below, or go to StockSurfS.com/Patreon. There's also a Discord chat. I post my charts and ideas throughout the week. So again, link down below, or go to StockSurfS.com/Patreon. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.